The season 4 of Attack on Titan just got released, not the whole season, just the first episode of the Attack on Titan season 4 or the final season. And the new episode of the Attack on Titan revealed the new wielder of the Jaw Titan after Ymir. Attack on Titan season 4 premieres give only anime fans plenty of new characters to get to know. In the trench of the Marleyan Mid-East Allied forces, final conflict at the Fort Slava are some of the youngest warrior candidates. And those candidates are those which are in the line to inherit the nation's Titan shifters powers, Gabi, Falco and Udo. With Gabi keen to get her hands on Reyna's bronze armored Titan, we also discover which of these candidates has already had this changeover occur between season 3 and season 4. In the place of Ymir, a new Titan, a new Jaw Titan known as Galliard is on the prowl in Attack on Titan's final season. This is the first time in the anime we have witnessed a dramatic difference in form of one shifter holder to another. Yume's manifestation of the beast was perhaps slightly more feminine looking with long hair and smaller frame. He was also less jaw-centric, almost more human. But Galliard is all about the shifter's namesake, sporting a huge skull-esque mouth as well as a long claws to match. He is still much smaller than the rest of the 9 titans though, but still he is able to leapfrog around the place, and he looks like much faster than the other 9 shifters. And here's the biggest mystery that all the anime watchers had in their mind, that what happened to Ymir. Although all the manga readers already know what happened, but this switchover makes it sadly clear that in case there was any doubt, the Ymir is gone for good. A powerful but melancholic figure, Ymir's mysterious backstory helped slot some of the pieces into place, that there was a world beyond Paradise Island in season 1 to season 3. Though not part of the Marley Warriors unit, she had a little choice. As a fellow outsider and then holder of the Jaw Titan, to partner up with the double agent, which are Rainer and the Berothor, after falling in love with the hidden heir of the Eldia throne, Historia Reyes, Ymir also fought to defend and keep her fellow soldiers close. Eventually, the two were forced to part away though. The Ymir was returned to Marley for punishment. A goodbye letter to Historia from Ymir was the final communication that pair had, and that was the last time we ever heard from a tragic but fascinating Attack on Titan character. As is the fate for each of the 9 titans, the shifter powers has demonstrably outlived its former owners. With the Jaw Titan now back under the Marleyans' military control, that brings the nation's tally to 4 Titan powers that we know of: the Jaw Titan, the Armored Titan, the Beast Titan and the Card Titan, the combined might of which cement Marley's victory in Fort Slava in the season premiere. The powers of Attack Titan and Founding Titan, which lies in the Eren, and Colossus Titan and the female Titan lies within Eren and their group, which leaves just one Titan power which is unaccounted for in the anime. Marley is desperate for the power of the Founding Titan above all else. And with the numbers neck and neck, the outcome of the upcoming Marleyan Paradisian conflict could go either way at this point. So this was a small doubt that all the anime fans, only anime watchers, had in their mind, that what happened to Ymir after the Galliard took over her Titan powers. So of course, as I said, she is gone for good and she is not returning to the series. I think they will be showing and clearing these things in the further episodes, but just to make things clear, I made this video just to tell you guys about what happened to Ymir. What are your thoughts about the death of Ymir? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.